Hey YouTube, this is Jumpmaster RC coming back at you tonight with another bash video of the Kraton 6S V5. Before we get started, I just wanted to say the intent of this channel is to bring you bash, break, and fix videos. Alright, we're going on a bit of an adventure today, guys. I don't know where we're going, but I see something really nice and I just want to go try it out. It was a little late again. That's my own fault. I was procrastinating. It was so hot out here today. Oh, and I had actually gone out looking for a bash spot, right? And two of the places that I wanted to check out, one was completely inaccessible. And one, they had put up like barriers in a superintendent office, and I know what it's for. There's a lot of growth in the area, so that creates a lot of opportunities for this. Oh, check that out, nice duck. Anyway, it creates a lot of opportunities for this, but they're kind of short-lived. So you got to do what you can when you can. Things that make you go, Have you noticed that's a theme of mine? Well, I can't. Okay, we're going to hit that too, but... And that. I can't resist. Here we go. Really quick while we're on the topic of fix-its, right? So you saw that I broke this came off yesterday. All I had to do was take, I think it was an M3 screw, put it back in right here. Tighten that down, we're good to go. Put a little thread locker in there. Keep those from backing out. That's all I did. So we'll see how it holds up. Nice. I'm surprised. I just shocked myself. That was the first backflip the Kraton has done. Holy shnikes. Those look so awesome, but I just don't know how to jump them the right way. Screw it, we're just gonna figure it out. blooper reel. That too. It's good thing I didn't jump that because I feel like inside there's water. Yeah, not messing with that. But that'll be fun. Oh no, not again. We did it again. Right, the same one. Damn it. I did bring those repairs. I did bring the tools for that, but it's too late tonight. And I gotta figure out why that backed out again. I put thread locker in there. I thought I did, but nope, look at that. That straight snapped. Okay. So, I'm not sure what that part is, but we'll get it worked out. We will get that worked out and replaced. And another day.